To keep your Honeywell MistMate Cool Mist Humidifier running efficiently, clean it regularly. Weekly cleaning is recommended. All maintenance should be done in the kitchen or bathroom on a water-resistant surface near a faucet. Before cleaning, turn off, unplug, and remove any accessories. Then, empty the water tank and reservoir, taking care that the black cap seal does not come off. Follow these separate steps for descaling and disinfecting. Both processes are important and should be performed weekly. To descale the unit, pour 2 cups of undiluted distilled white vinegar in the water tank and replace the cap. Gently swish the vinegar in the tank to make sure it wets the entire inside. Place the tank on the base so the vinegar can drain into the water reservoir and loosen mineral buildup. Soak for 20 minutes. After soaking, empty the vinegar from the tank and reservoir. Then, using a soft cloth, wipe the nebulizer and float. Rinse the tank and reservoir with water until the smell of vinegar is gone. When disinfecting, be sure to wear gloves when handling bleach. Mix a ½ gallon of water with a ½ teaspoon of bleach. Pour the bleach solution into the water tank and replace the cap. Gently swish the solution in the tank to make sure it wets the entire inside. Then, place the tank on the base to let the solution drain into the reservoir and soak for 20 minutes. After soaking, empty the solution from the tank and reservoir. Then, rinse with water until the smell of bleach is gone. For more information or to purchase accessories, visit honeywellpluggedin.com.